Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect an Arch Linux VM that's running on VirtualBox to the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. Now in my case here, the host machine is a Windows 11 device. The first thing we need to do is we need to determine the Wi-Fi interface name on the host machine. On the bottom right, we have this Wi-Fi icon. If we right click on it, we can go to Network and Internet Settings. Then we see the Wi-Fi here. Click on this arrow, then you see the properties. Click on the arrow, scroll down, and here we see the description. So this is the name of the Wi-Fi interface. It's Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AX200. There is also another way we can determine the name. You can use the control panel. Search for control panel. Under the control panel, we'll go to Network and Internet and go to Network and Sharing Center. Next, click on Change Adapter Settings. Here you see a list of all your interfaces on the host machine. Again, this is the name right here. Once we've determined the name, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to edit the settings on our VM. So this is an Arch Linux machine. If I right click on it and go to Settings, and then I'll click on Network, and then here you see there is the adapter 1. Right now it's selected to use NAT. With NAT, what we are doing is we're just sharing the same IP as the host machine. If you want the VM to get its own IP address, we have to use bridged adapter. And then here you'll need to click on the down arrow and select the name of Wi-Fi interface we just determined, which was this one. This is the wired interface. This is the Wi-Fi interface. So select that interface or select that name and then click OK. Now we can go ahead and power on this virtual machine. Once the virtual machine is powered on, we'll check the IP and verify whether it's got its own unique IP address on the same subnet as the host machine. Now on the host machine, I can open the command prompt. And I can just quickly check the IP here. I can run ipconfig. So on the wireless LAN adapter or Wi-Fi interface, the IP is 192.168.1.120. So the subnet is this one right here. Let's log into Arch Linux. I'm going to go ahead and open the terminal here. And I'll run IP address, and this is the IP 192.168.1.142. As you can see, the subnet is the same as the host machine, but the last octet is 142, so it's got a unique IP which is different from this one, which is 120. Now with it having its own unique IP address, we can ping it, and we can also access it remotely using tools like SSH. So I can ping 192.168.1.142, and I'm able to ping it. I sent 4 packets and received 4. We can also verify that we have internet access. I can ping a website here. Okay, 3 packets were sent, 3 packets received, no packets lost. That shows us that we have internet access. And that's it, and that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Arch Linux VM that's running on VirtualBox to the Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks, bye.